What's up, everybody? Today we have a special guest, my daughter. We are going to be cutting this board up into sections to hang these amazing signs that she designed for a local park nearby, so we can create the backings for them so that when I put the posts in the ground, we'll be able to hang the signs up. Stick around while we cut this board up. We're gonna use this Bora track guide. So the way it works, it's pretty cool. It's got this lever system right here that once you have it aligned with the line that you wanna cut, you just close this up and it tightens the grip so that you have a nice taut board so it doesn't move on you while you cut. So I'm gonna measure out the area. I'm gonna put the track in place so that it can guide the saw nicely to have a straight cut. We're gonna leave about a 1/4 inch overhang for the sign so that you can't see the board when it's hung. So I'm just gonna trace out the sign. You wanna trace out that one? So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna cut this big piece up like that so that it'll be an easier piece to manage the smaller cuts, all right? Now we have the backing, and see how it's overhanging. We'll just have to kind of trim some of the edges that are still sticking out. Now, after doing some makeshift rounding, we got ourselves some good corners. And now the sign overhangs the whole board, so that's good. All right, now we have the finished 3 pieces. Once you flip it around so they can see the overhang. Well, it's kind of hard, but we got the 3 board pieces done. Now we're ready to drill the holes for the screws or lag bolts that we're gonna use, and then we'll dig the holes in the ground and put the signs up. I'll post a video of digging the holes and putting the signs up.